In our previous episode, this mouse had the unusual experience of going nose to nose with a python and walking away to live another day without a scratch. Fromage, the 8-month-old male python, turned out to be only bluffing in his ambush attack positioning. So to the extent that mice are capable of learning, and we know that they are, this mouse may have taken away from that experience that snakes are not dangerous. We'll test that theory by putting this same mouse back in the maze, but with a different snake, and see how each behaves. Meet Escargot, a 22-inch long female ball python who cohabitates with Fromage. It's been over a week since she's eaten, so she should be hungry. Notice her opening her mouth wide here, preparing her jaw. We'll start the mouse off at the same spot in the maze where he last was, recreating the conditions when he learned that it's okay to approach a snake. At first contact, Escargot seems to be just as uninterested in eating this mouse as Fromage was. Is this lucky mouse going to escape death twice? Is there something about this particular mouse that is making these pythons refrain from attacking him? At this point, it's almost as if the mouse is teasing or daring Escargot to strike him. And finally, she obliges. She apparently was hungry after all. She just needed a few mouse nose nudges to get her thinking about food. She's not as tolerant as Fromage was of mice who nudge. She's grabbed him and is constricting him fairly high up on his rib cage, allowing his entire bottom half to flail about. That's worth seeing one more time, in slow motion. Now begins the fascinating process of swallowing what she caught. She's giving us a textbook demonstration of cranial kinesis, the process by which Escargot is alternately moving her left and right lower rows of teeth, the effect of which is to pull the mouse further into her mouth. This is a beautiful process, but in the interest of time, we're going to speed it up to 20 times its actual rate. We can't help noticing the similarity to the legs of a Thanksgiving turkey when she holds the mouse's body like this. Notice how she's lifting up her neck. Like Fromage, Escargot is into using gravity to help her swallow as well. Nothing but the tail sticking out now. Notice the beautiful peristaltic motion as the mouse bulge moves down the course of her body. Be sure to watch our next episode, when we'll put 3 mice into the maze at the same time and see if they learn from each other.